Hey guys, we rode our bikes. Wendy's, you want some of my chicken nuggets? I don't think so. Wait. Sorry guys, I didn't make it 3 minutes, but this is what we got. We rode our bikes here all by ourselves. I know. Our parents allowed it. I'm with my cousin, if I didn't mention. Oh my gosh. Not you well enough. Okay, good. These are your cookies. We got cookies, frosting, chicken nuggets. What goes? Well, that's basically it for today. What? Oh, we made it to 1 minute. Bye.